friends, welcome back to my channel. Model Glam Her here. How y'all doing? How y'all been? Please, if you are not subscribed to my channel and this is your first time landing here, please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified on my next upload. The unit I'm bringing to you today is by our friends at Outre. Yes, Outre, isn't she cute? Please excuse the effect of my ring lights. Yeah, get into it. She's very cute. Those are different styles, how you can style her and everything, the different colors. And so this is from that Melted Hairline collection. And there's the part, deluxe wide lace part, 2 by 5 inches. And I have her in the style THAIS. I guess I'm probably jacking the name up, but it's spelled THAIS. And I have her in the color DR2 / maple brown. And she's 12 inches long. The color in the, like that honey blonde. The honey blonde looks nice in the black. In the back, please excuse me. And she has 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, along with that normal, not normal, it's not normal. All units don't have that elastic band in the top to make it lay flush to your head and everything. The lace is still attached. I cut the lace off camera. And then she comes with those unnatural baby hairs, which I utilize them a little bit, very little, like very little, very minimum and everything. As you can see here, I added tint spray by Ebon in the shade medium brown. Please excuse me. That's her in the back. The hair is very soft, very big hair friendly. You can wear in the summer. The hair is very lightweight. And of course, she's synthetic. And what else can I say about this hair? Yeah, she's very soft. Ain't too much I can say about this because it styled itself really. All I did was run my fingers through the hair. So these are some pictures that I have added. And if I can review anything for you, please let me know down in the comments section. And anything else about this unit, I will link down in the description box. Thank you for watching. See y'all soon. Smooches.